In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI faster and make the best prompts for learning and studying, even if you're just getting started. This is perfect for those of you who are new to using AI tools for educational purposes and want to get the most out of it. Let's dive right in with our first tip, which is explaining a topic effectively. Imagine you have a complex topic that you need to understand but don't know where to start. You can ask Claude AI to explain topic in very simple language as if I am a complete beginner. What this does is it breaks down the topic into easily digestible language, bypassing complex jargon that might otherwise be overwhelming. For instance, if you're learning about photosynthesis, Claude AI might simplify it by saying it's the process plants use to convert sunlight into energy, similar to how we use food for energy. Examples like this help anchor the concept in everyday understandings, making it not only more memorable but also easier to engage with. At the end of the explanation, Claude AI can provide a summary of key points, which reinforces your comprehension and gives you a quick reference to return to later. Now let's move on to making study notes. If you're looking at a page full of information and trying to carve out the essential bits, Claude AI can turn the chaos into clarity. You can say something like, turn these notes into clear, organized study notes. Use headings, bullet points, important definitions, examples, and a short revision summary. This approach is wonderful because it structures your notes in a way that makes them highly effective for studying or review. You get to see the most critical parts highlighted, with definitions and examples fleshed out for deeper understanding. Headings help break down sections of content into manageable chunks, so revisiting them later becomes a less daunting task. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure you review these AI-generated notes regularly. Familiarity with content through repetition can aid tremendously in retention. Take the summaries and use them for quick revisions before tests or exams, as they encapsulate the core ideas you need. This is a handy method to ensure you're covering what matters most without getting lost in unnecessary details. Also, keep in mind that learning is a very personal journey. It's perfectly okay to play around with the AI's responses. If something doesn't sit right or needs more elaboration, don't hesitate to ask Claude AI to clarify or expand further. This adaptability is one of the strengths of using AI in your study routine. It tailors the learning experience to match your unique preferences and pace. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn how to effectively utilize Claude AI for your educational needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification on how to engage with these prompts, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.